Place the vertical parts of the rotisserie directly on your Ophir before you light your fire. In the box, you will find 2 tubes to connect your rotisserie horizontally at the top. The shorter one will fit the Ophir 85. The longer one is for the Ophir 100. There are 2 cooking techniques to apply with your rotisserie set. You can attach a Dutch oven easily to the S-hook. Mind the maximum weight on the rotisserie set, which is 15 kilograms. To use the spit, clamp your object between the 2 claws. You can either place it level over the fire or diagonal. In order to prevent it from sliding off in diagonal mode, screw the supplied stopper at the end of your spit. Once your Ophir is hot, you might want to affix your rotisserie set a bit extra by using the screws. Always use heat-resistant gloves. After your Ophir has cooled down, take off your rotisserie set, clean it, and store it in its original box in a dry place.